Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can set up Hey Google or Google Assistant on your Android phone. Now, once on the phone, go ahead to your settings. You can do so by scrolling down your notification bar, and on the top right of your screen you'll find the settings option. Now go to settings, and as you scroll down below, you'll find the option Google. Now go ahead and tap on it and scroll all the way down below and head over to settings for Google Apps. Now once here, you'll find the option Search Assistant and Voice. Tap on it and open it, and if you scroll down, you'll find the option Google Assistant. Now open it, and once here, you'll find varieties of option. Go ahead to Hey Google and Voice Match and toggle this switch on that you can see. Access your assistant anytime that you say Hey Google, even if your screen is off or you are using your favorite apps. Now once you turn this, your Google Assistant will be toggled on, and if you wanna retrain your voice model, just go ahead. Since I've already retrained it and I'm currently recording a video, I won't be able to do so, but if you go here, you'll be able to set up voice model. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.